Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to use something called conditional formatting to help you help enhance your spreadsheets or add some bells and whistles to your spreadsheets to help you tell a story. Sometimes when you're looking at a large spreadsheet with a lot of data that just has numbers and text, sometimes you don't quite get the story you want to tell just looking at raw data. So sometimes it's nice to add some features to help, like I said, tell that story. And one of those features is conditional formatting. So again, I remind you that your screen may look different than mine depending on the version of Excel you're using or if you're using a Mac, but the functionality will be the same. So let's get started. Once again, we have our fictitious bank with a number of different locations with account information within those branches, such as account numbers, checking accounts, and balances. So let's get to how we use conditional formatting. Let's say, for example, I want to highlight any accounts that have a low balance. So to do that, let's go and select our range. And I can do this a couple different ways. You see down here I get to pop up our quick analysis button that shows up when we select a range of cells. One of the options in the quick analysis feature is called formatting. There's greater than, top 10, etc. That's one way. Another way, which I'm going to show you here, is using the ribbon, which shows us more options. So on our Home tab, on the ribbon, you'll see there's a Styles group, and you see here's conditional formatting. So if I select that drop down, I can highlight cell rules that are greater than, less than, between, etc. So in this case, I want to highlight cell rules that are less than an amount. So in this case, let's say it's less than $600. And we want to highlight the cells that meet that criteria with a light red fill with dark red text. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that as the option, click OK. And what I end up with are the 3 rows that are less than $600. Let's add another rule, formatting rule. So let's go ahead and select our range again, come back up to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules that are greater than, this time we're going to do greater than 600. And in here, we don't want to display red text with red fill. We want to do green fill with dark green text. Click OK. So now very quickly you can see the rows that are getting the accounts that are getting low in balance, less than $600, and the ones that are okay, that are greater than 600. And obviously the one that is right at 600 doesn't get any shading. So again, this is a very quick and easy way to add some extra feature or functionality to our Excel spreadsheet that helps you tell that story. Before we close out, I do want to show you another thing that you can take advantage of when you use conditional formatting, is when you use filtering. Hopefully you saw the video that I've posted on how to use filtering. So to do that, let's go and turn on filters. Come back to our home tab on the ribbon, select sort and filter, turn on filtering. And within the option for filtering for the balance, I now have something I can do, which is filtered by color. So let's say I just want to show the rows that are less than $600. So I can just filter by color, click that, and you'll see that very easily I have selected just the rows that meet that color, that meet that conditional formatting. So again, just another feature of Excel that you can hopefully use to help tell your story. So if you have any questions, email us, or if you have any other suggestions for videos, please email us as well. And I also remind you to subscribe to the channel, as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.